Shalom, may the good Lord be with you. Let us begin our day with a short prayer. Mighty Lord, we thank you for all the blessings. We thank you for all the graces. Be in our life mightily. We surrender as we are unto you. Through your mighty grace, bless each person. Help them to grow spiritually. From today, we are going to start a spiritual growth series. The first step of spiritual growth is to understand how are we seeking to grow. There are two journeys each person must make. One is the internal journey, one is the external journey. To understand more deeply, we must realize our internal journey is a search of God within that deals with the first commandment what Jesus has given unto us. Love your Lord with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind, and with all your might. The second commandment is dealing with the external journey. Both the internal journey and external journey will help us to grow deeper in the Lord. It will help us to stay strong in the Lord. An external journey is including the miracles that we face, is including what we seek to do, or God's plan, which is subjected many times to the internal journey. King David was a king to the world, but his internal journey determined what was the outcome in the battles, what was the outcome for the people around him, what was the blessings. Therefore, the internal journey of our lives is also deeply connected with the external mission or the goal that we have. Let us make a short prayer as we have decided to start this spiritual journey to grow deeper in the Lord, to grow more roots in the spiritual realm of the knowledge, understanding, and wisdom of Jesus Christ, and to move closer unto the Lord. Mighty Lord, we thank you for your blessings. We thank you for your graces. Help us to move closer unto you. Grant us the wisdom and the knowledge to be closer unto you. Harabashilia lakalaba baba ushikalakalakala balakulakalakala baba 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 shiri galagalagala Arabashiri galagalagala bashiri galagalagala baba baba bishigalagalagala. Shalom.